So I'm trying to figure out what to do with this whole YouTube thing. So this is going to be a compilation of all the different, or some of the trucks and projects and old cars that I have to try to figure out. You guys can say in the comments things you want to see more of, walk-arounds of, I don't know, more shifting videos, everything. First thing is a 1956 R200 International Wrecker, or it's also got a fifth wheel in the back. Then I believe this is a 56 Oshkosh all-wheel drive plow truck. And have a 70s W200 Dodge four-wheel drive pickup truck. And then 50 or 50s Dodge Coronet. This is Model A Ford Doodlebug with an international rear end. That would run, I think this ran. This is a 31 Chevy Doodlebug. That one, the engine is seized. And the International 200 that runs. The Oshkosh, I think that would run. Army truck, I think that would run. 40s Dodge dump truck, 2-ton, whatever. That runs or would run. Another one very similar, with nothing on the back. That one, the engine seized. Not sure, I think 50s something, white Mustang. That would run, but has a stuck valve, so it doesn't run right. Next is a white Superpower. That one, dump truck, engine seized in that one. And GMC 10-wheeler. This one would probably run. Mothership. 56 Chevy. Pretty sure that one would run. And then a spare cab from a bigger version, or maybe a slightly different year on the back, just the cab. And then a wheel horse, of course. Honda 110 three-wheeler. Dodge W200 72 four-wheel drive, 3/4 ton. Gale skid steer. Things are kind of packed in here, kind of tight. 30-something International dump truck. That one runs. 49 Willys Jeep. That runs. Not sure, Farmall H with a bucket, with a trip bucket. That runs. Working on the gas tank right now. 38 Chevy over there. That runs and drives. No bed on it right now. Like a 2-ton or dual-wheeled. Case 310 crawler, diesel. Another Doodlebug. Had a phase of Doodlebugs. This is a Ford with a flathead V8. That one runs. Square baler, New Holland, with a 2-cylinder Wisconsin self-propelled. New Holland Hayliner 69, Super 69. 31 Chevy 2-door. That runs and drives. Another 38 Chevy, kind of a rat rod, with a 307 Chevy V8 in it. Plymouth Valiant 4-door slant 6 that, well, I was in the process of rebuilding it. I think I got a little left to do, ran out of ambition on it, I guess. Franklin 170 skidder with a Screaming Detroit. Peterbilt 379. It's all tore apart with some motor issues. Another Farm All H runs with a dump trailer, with a hand crank dump trailer that would have been on like a Model T Ford or maybe a Model A. Some of my brother's stuff. Case 930 tractor, Jeep pickup. There's a, can't remember, I think that's a 58 Pontiac Chieftain over there. John Deere A. Chevy. I think that's a 50 Chevy dump truck over there. All right, I'll bring you back with some more. Here we have a 54 Cadillac 2-door. It needs some serious love, but needs a motor, but it's a potential project, or it's a project for someday. Another Chevy, probably would run. I don't think it would drive too far though. 1940, 41 Chevy Army truck, dump truck, all-wheel drive. Runs and drives. That's the sawdust truck for this sawmill. Powered by a 3208 Cat. It's a bell saw. Then a 1950 DeSoto that runs and drives on the road. Two-door. Auto car 10-wheeler. The Cummins in it. Not sure if that runs yet. Buick, that with a straight 8 that runs and drives. Chevy Special Deluxe, that runs and drives. Looks like we got a bear that might be curious about it too. 54 Pontiac, that runs and drives on the road. Straight 8. GMC Cracker Box, or cab over. Haven't had a chance to see if that's gonna run or not. John Deere Model 40, I think. That's motor stuck in that. Waukesha power plant. I was working on getting that running. Chevy panel truck. It's a 3/4 ton or 1 ton version. I don't know if that runs. I think that's a 49 Plymouth that runs and drives. Old stainless steel trailer. I think that's a Fruha from the 50s. And then the old Oldsmobile Delta 88.